The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Bill, good morning. Fellas, good morning. Tom, good morning. Good morning. Fellas, it is Friday. Paul, good morning. Very good morning to you. Guys, today is Friday, May 20th. Brett, good morning. Greg, guys, good morning. If anybody has traded this morning, it's been fairly decent. I don't know if you guys have put on any trades, but it's been a decent morning. Some of you guys may be at goal already. In any event, regular bot is up 20. Yeah, I don't have that, Dan. My bot is up 170 on the originals. Yeah, we'll get them through it, Melody. We'll get them through it. I tried to help last night, but it was so late I couldn't do much with. I go to bed at 9:20, 9:30, and I just couldn't help them. But one way, shape, or form, we'll get him. We will get him set up. No man left behind. In any event, guys, good morning. It is a beautiful day. Here in the South, at least. I'm not sure. Dominic, good morning, where you all live, but it's a gorgeous day here. Markets are getting that bounce. Good morning, Dennis, that I thought we might get. Yeah, I'll put you in, brother. Yeah, there's no such thing as too hot, only too cold. And this from a northeasterner. NASDAQ currently up 185. ES is up 45 handles. YM is up 283. EMD is up 31. Russell's up 25. Gold is basically flat. Thank you. I don't know what that is, Melody. I don't know what that is. WWG. I don't know what any of that is. Good morning, Chris. Tim, this week we are on the cusp of 20 traders funded, several with multiple accounts. In fact, let me do that now. I'll show you guys. So last night I got an email. So for Friday, today, we have our first funded trader, John Edmondson. Congratulations to John. So this is the first person funded today, not for the week, but today. And he actually passed 2 combines. So he has now 2 funded accounts. He sent me an email last night. Is anybody else funded? Anyone else get through the combine yesterday that did not let me know? Good morning, Mark. Joe, good morning. Anybody else pass a combine? Okay, so no one in the room as of yet. Okay, so let me show you guys my spreadsheet. So here's what I have so far, right? Marcia has made money every day. She should be close. I know I believe she's already has 1 funded account. Eddie, most of us have made money the last 3 days. Tom has also made money every day, but most of us have made money the last 3 days. Okay, especially those that are reporting, which is not everybody. I mean, some of you guys, Gary has also made money every day. Here's a string of 3 in a row. So the point I'm trying to make is, if you guys are getting close to funded, yeah, you did. There's a lot of people that are not sending me their daily totals, and at the end of the week, I'll delete them from the funded trader program. Today they'll be deleted. You guys want to reduce your draw. So if you are within at this point, we should have a lot of traders within $1,000 of getting funded. Now is when you want to start reducing that draw pretty significantly. Also, contract size. Remember, human emotion is, I just need one trade to get funded, right? One 5 contract trade on the NASDAQ and I'm in. But that's not going to serve you well in the long pull of things, right? This funded trader program is about slow and steady every single day. Every single day. It's about making money every day across multiple accounts, right? We're not trying to get one account and make 800 a day. We are trying to get 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 accounts and make $200 or $300 a day, whether it comes from an order flow trade or a bot trade, whatever the case may be, across numerous accounts. So this funded trader thing is very, very much the tortoise and the hare, and you want to be the tortoise. So if you guys are within $1,000, you want to reduce your draw significantly in the bot, right? You do not want the bot at this point taking any more than about $700 in draw. You also probably want to reduce your contract size to 1. To 1. Right? Daily goal, $300, and you'll be there by next week, Wednesday or Thursday. All right. I can only, again, we've got 300 in the room, 300 registered for the room. And at the moment, I have 95 of you in the room. So those that are, coming in late or, show up at 9:30, generally will miss some trades, especially on order flow. And they will miss this very important news. Okay, Mark. If you're not already in the combat, in the challenge, email me and let me know. I think you are, but I could be wrong. Yeah, and last night I grabbed 2 more just before the sale ended. So I'm going to cover this tomorrow in education, but I'll cover it here. So first off, a couple of things for you now 96 that are in the room. Today is the last day of this room link. When I close the room today, I will be doing a new link for the next 2 months. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Still early. I'm on my first pot of coffee. The next 2 weeks. That will be placed in the member area. You will have to log in sometime late today, tomorrow, Sunday, or Monday before the room opens. Do not email me and say I did not get an invite to the room. I will completely ignore it. When everybody joined, I sent you an email. In that email, it tells you that you have to go to the member area to get the link. I do not send links out. Good morning, John, and congratulations on your 2 funded accounts yesterday. We just got done praising you. I will be doing a link as soon as I close the room for education tomorrow morning. I will be doing education on the bot at 9 a.m. If you are new with the bot, if whether you were a lease or a purchase, whatever the case may be, I strongly advise you guys to sign up for the education and come. If you're there, you can ask me questions. If you cannot make it, I realize that weekends, Saturdays and Sundays are largely reserved for, children and spouses cutting the lawn, whatever the case may be. Right? So if that's the case and you cannot attend, or you live in California, or maybe you live in, we have members in Australia and Asia. If you guys cannot attend because of the time difference, at least sign up for the webinar so I will email vis-a-vis benchmark email that video. I will not be sending out that video individually to 300 people. I will not be doing that. I will spend all day doing that. Okay? So please register at least for the webinar tomorrow if you cannot attend. I will have it, Chris, sometime today. I will do the link as soon as I close the room, 1 for the next 2 weeks in the room, and 2 for education. They will both be in the member area some point today. Okay? Perfect, Frank. Yeah, so I think tomorrow's education will be, very informative, especially if you're newer with the bot. I know many of you, just by the emails I get and the questions that are asked, I know you're not watching the videos that I send to everybody when you join. There are 7 videos. I know you're not watching them. Okay? As I've said in the past, I will say it again, the 3 bot education. No, I send them when you join. Or I've done education throughout. I'm going to completely revamp those videos in the member area. In fact, I will be completely revamping the website in the very near future. Be that as it may. Be that as it may. There's one issue that I will address right now that I will also address tomorrow. The 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. time frame when we're trading, or when, we're on Skype or whatever the case may be. That is not part of this bot challenge or funded trader challenge. So some of you guys have been sending me your evening totals. I don't need them. The only portion of this that I am tracking is what we do in the room, right? So if you guys are trading at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, that's great, but it's not technically part of this. The way that I am doing the evening session, just so you know, I am always starting out with a clean account and one I'm willing to burn. Like last night, I started with an account that was at 0. I turned my bots on and I went to dinner. I wasn't even here to watch them trade. When I came back, that account was, yes, Joseph, that account was wiped out, done. Got hit. Now, some guys said they made money, and that may be. I did not. But it cost me $36 to go to dinner. I don't really care. The way that I handle it then is, this is me now. If that bot would have gotten target, let's just say up $500, that would have gone into my cache of accounts that are moving forward. I do not trade the same account at night, and never will, as I do during the day. Okay? Whatever accounts I'm trading, so I currently have 5 accounts that are all within $1,500 of being funded. I do not, last night the account I trade was an account I went and bought for $36 and ran it. Had that hit the target or goal of $500, that would have then gone into that stockpile of accounts that already had money in it. So every night when I run now obviously we're Thursday night. So Sunday night when I run the bot, if I am out of accounts, meaning I have 2 more accounts currently, right? So today I am trading an account that is currently up $330. I am aware, Patrick. Yes. I am up $330 on a couple of trades that I took this morning, right? Small trades, order flow trades, 1 contract trades. And I will continue to trade that account throughout the day. So if that account, obviously, if that account should end up green when I'm done trading, 10:30, 11 o'clock, and that's up 700, that will go into my stockpile of accounts that are all green, that are working toward funding. That will not get traded Sunday night. I have another account that's at 0. Haven't even used it yet. That will be the account that I do on Sunday night. If that blows up, so what? I didn't blow up an account that was halfway home or closer. If this all makes sense. I'm going to cover all of this tomorrow because we now have 111 in the room of 300 registered. Okay? For anybody that missed out on the Apex sale, Lilu is currently having an 83% discount on their 50,000. Same rules as Apex. The code is after party. So Apex went 80, Lilu went 83. Everyone is now fighting for the same pool of traders. Top Step ruled for several years. It's today only. Okay? So again, I'll cover this in education tomorrow. So for me, I've got a few accounts that are, at zero. If I run out of accounts, for me, I can still go get an account at 50% off because Apex is always running a 50% off. And I don't mind paying $100. Hey, Hubba, I don't mind paying $100 for a new account. It's a means to an end. So this may, again, some of you may have questions. I don't understand what he's saying. I'll cover it tomorrow. In any event, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Yesterday, we had 6 funded traders. We are almost at 20 for the week. We had 1 trader yesterday with 2 funded accounts. We already have our first funded trader. If you missed it, this video will, of course, be on YouTube later today. If you missed it, we already have our first funded trader. I will congratulate him again now that he is in the room. John Edmondson, congratulations. He has not 1 but 2 fully funded accounts at this point. If anyone gets funded today throughout the session or after the session closes, please email me and let me know. You have a small short setting up right now on the NASDAQ. If we break below 43, maybe 42, NASDAQ is a short. It's a 1 minute. Hey, good morning, Greg. Small short, maybe 42. First target is 35, and then free. If anybody is interested in that. We are coming down. All right, guys. Again, if you folks are, there you go. If you folks are here on trial, your stop, guys, if you shorted 42 is 55. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome to your last day in the room. Unless, of course, you started yesterday. We had 1 start on Wednesday. Just so we're clear, if you started Wednesday or 2 that started yesterday, tomorrow, Saturday, I will be sending you your link for next week. Okay? You will get a link for next week, tomorrow. So your trial will conclude next Friday. Those of you that started on Monday and your trials end today, I will sometime around 10:30, 10:45, I will give you guys, your options to become a member with us. I hope that you do. And if you do not, well, then I will wish you luck. But I certainly thank you for your time this week. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. And then we will get on with it. Look at that. Found it right away today. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, fellas. Let's take a look at some on ES. Literally one tick. You should get it on this bar right here. Boom. Come on. Got target 1 ES if you took the trade. NASDAQ would be long. You should get your target as well. Target 1 hit YM. Target 2 hit ES. Target 1 hit NASDAQ. You guys will all be done if you took the trades. Did anybody take those trades? Anybody? Okay, Scott did. All right. You guys should all be done. You guys should all have your daily goal in if you took the trades. Nice job, Robert. Okay, guys, they all hit target. That's what I'm telling you guys. If you wait for me, I'm watching order flow and I'm, trying to guess the, yeah, NASDAQ got target 1 and break even, but ES got target 2, 1 and 2, and YM may pull back into break even, but so what? Okay. So that's, again, guys, that's what I'm trying to, how could you be late? Your bots didn't fire? Or you entered them manually? NASDAQ now got target 2. YM got target 2. So NASDAQ, you would have been out at break even on your second contract, which is fine. But you would have gotten both targets on YM. Why didn't you turn the bots on? Here's my question. Why take them manually? If you're not going to take them with the bot, why take them manually? Thank you, Scott. I don't understand that, Ed. Nice job, Fred. ESYM for 520. You're done. Guys, you're done. You guys are done. Those of you guys that took those trades, you're done. You hit your daily goal. Anybody pass a combine on those? Hang on, guys. 1 second. Okay. Eddie, I would say you can keep going. Reduce your draw, though. No, turn them off. Turn your bots off. Turn your bots off. We don't want to get whipped at the open. And let's see what we get here. You're welcome. 10-minute small time frames are going to want to sell. At least pull back. Let's just see what we get. Let them whack themselves around. Options expiration, tough trades today. Let this volatility shrink. Ooh, YM, what are you doing? Wow. YM getting blowed out. Do not take that YM short. It may work. No. Nice job, Chuck. Just slow down on the YM. I'm watching it. We still have 1 minute, 15 seconds. You see when we get, look, When we get these ginormous candles, I'm not interested in those. I mean, this is a 140 down to 325 move. We don't want that trade. That's the original bots. Anybody take crude? Damn it, I didn't turn mine on. I told you guys I liked crude if it went long. I didn't get it. My bot was not on. Oh, well. All right, Gary, nice job. I'm trying to make you guys money, and I forget to make my money. All right, David, nice. All right, fellas. There are no trades here yet. No trades. NASDAQ is grid locked. You can take this NASDAQ short. It's going to be, and now the YM short. It's going to be bouncy, so you may have to suck this up, but this should be good trades. Good trade. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, you rat bag. Almost a target. Oh, you dog. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Kill the trade. Kill the trade. It's a short, but it's trying to suck back up. It is a short. The short will work, but it's just kill the trade. You can make a few bucks on this thing, and here it now comes to target. There's your target. I like all of these shorts right now. NASDAQ is selling hard. YM pulled back into the cloud. NASDAQ broke it. All right, now we want the longs if we go long. We still have a positive delta on the NASDAQ. You got your target on the ES. I'm sorry, NASDAQ. You see how volatile we are? Thank you, Matt. I'm going to turn my trade copier off at the open here. I had it on. I'll turn it off. Nice job. Chad White now funded. Hang on, guys. I'm watching these. We're not getting any more trades. We have another funded trader. Here's our second funded trader of the day. Chad, who are you with? Mimi's up 406. Apex? Chad? Yep, Apex. Second funded trader of the day, guys. Third account. He's got two earlier. I think he had two yesterday. He's now got a third. 3 funded accounts. Let him bounce, guys. I don't have anything on yet. They're in shorts, but I gave you guys that. I said I like the NASDAQ short. Listen, it's option expiration today. Right now, we're bouncing around like crazy. I'll take the longs if we get the reversal now. From an order flow standpoint, ES is probably headed to 25. Yep, CL has target 1. I didn't turn it on. I said I like the longs, and I never turned it on. And so consequently, I didn't tell anybody to turn it on. All right, guys, I'm turning my bots on. My bots are on. We're well into shorts. The only way we get trades, if you didn't take the earlier long, is we need a reversal, which I think we'll get, but not anytime soon. So now we wait. let me take a look here. Let's see what we got. We're coming down into probably 950. I think this is going to come. I'm lagging. We're at 920. That's a yes, my bad. We're at 975. I think we're going to come 950. I'll say this really slowly. Bots are on. Bots are on. What does that mean? I'm not going to call you out, but what does that mean? I didn't say bots are on except we missed the long. The only way we get a trade is on the short on crude, right? We didn't take the shorts on the indices. The only way we get a trade is longs now, right? Same with gold. So now we want the reversal, but we're not. I don't think we're getting a reversal anytime soon. But that opening 5 minutes, guys, is so damn volatile that I just, we could have the right trade and it goes against. Look at, if it goes against you, 25 handles, that's $1,000 draw. Some of you might be within $999 of washing out of your accounts. So now that we have a full room, what you guys want to do, if you're within $1,000 of a funded account, reduce your daily draw to about 700, reduce your contracts to 1. God, this is loud. Sorry, if I'm screaming, it's because my news is blowing in my ear. I apologize. Who is Warp Speed Trades? Right now, I sent you an email. Who is Warp Speed Trades? You're logged in as Warp Speed. Who are you? Aliases are not coming in my room. Who are you? You have 3 seconds and I'm sending you out of here. I sent you an email asking who you were. Come on, 33. We got 32.75. Missed that by a damn tick. Come on, 33. I'm not flinching, you rat dog. If you guys are anxious about the trade, take it off. I missed by a tick, fellas. There's a little buy zone in there from 33 to 34. And we hit 1 tick shy of that. I mean, she doesn't want to break up. She doesn't really want to break down. When's the next 10-minute bar? 8 minutes. Come on, 33. Come on, 33. Get above VWAP. Stop being a punk. I don't like us hanging out below VWAP, fellas. We have small buyers. Are you over your daily goal? I'd have to see it. I can't answer questions, guys, without seeing it. Come on, 33. Come on. Come on. Boy, she's being tough. Buyers, come on. Some sellers. We have buyers. If we get a 5-minute close and a minute and a half above VWAP, this thing is going to rip 36 to 40 again. We're holding here. We're just not. There's a block buy, 64. Nothing to get excited about. I'm still holding, guys, to 33. I'm not flinching. I'll take a damn loss, but I'm not flinching on 33 because that's the target. If you guys want to take risk off prior to that, feel free. Qs are turning up. Coinbase is going long. Market should go up. We should get a bid. Come on, 33. Offered. Got it. Booyah. 33. 33. 33. There we go, fellas. That was a pain in the neck trade. Anybody hold to 33? Free trade. Break even, free trade. Up we go ski. Anybody hold to 33? That was an order flow trade. All right, Tom. Okay, Frank. That's it. 2 guys. 3 guys. All right. 4 guys. Here we go. Okay, Mark. Break even stop, fellas. We're still not pumping anywhere. We're just kind of hanging out. We need NASDAQ to give us a little bit of a boost here. NASDAQ has 800 net buyers trying to move up, but slow. Again, could be a function of option expiration. Patience, fellas. Again, if we are not in the room this afternoon or at any point, if we get the reversals in the indices, I would take those trades. At some point, we are going to get a reversal on the box. ES came back and back tested 25 again. We're still holding 39.25. Could have traded that like 4 times for 3 and 4 handles, but if you guys have hit your daily goals, please send me your trades today so I can. And also, if you guys would do me a favor, please tell me how close you are to getting funded. I'm watching, guys. I have nothing, not even on small time frames on the indices. We are literally parked. We cannot break up at least until the next candle. Russell looks like it's getting a move. Russell is long to 88. Russell is long if you trade RTY. All right, NASDAQ just went, so did ES. Eurozone confidence reading. It will affect us. Looking for a negative 21.5 versus 22. NASDAQ can go on this next 10-minute bar, which is in 48 seconds. Other than that, we're wedged in a small, piss poor area. Guys, don't forget, tomorrow I'm doing education, 9 a.m. The link will be in the member area. It'll be there today, so shortly after we're done. Can I get negative 21.1 versus 21.5, so not as bad as expected. So the confidence isn't as bad. Still bad. I like ES longs. I like NASDAQ longs. There's a trade on NASDAQ if we get above VWAP, but until we do, we've got nothing. They're buying them back, 350, selling, buy more buyers. You can get you almost 3 handles. Not a great trade, but it's a trade. Small seller here is insignificant. 2 buyers on the top, I do not like. 3 buyers, I do not like. 60, there we go. There's 14. If you guys want 3.5 handles, whack it away. I'm trying to get to 18, fellas, 18. We got to 14.75. We still have buyers. Buyers coming back in. Nope, sellers. Come on, keep it going. You got them. I've only got 1 on, so my risk is small. I don't like the 15 buyers left on top. That's not good. All right, we're moving point of control higher up in the candle. Come on. If you guys want some small money, take it. This should have been a bigger zip. We really shouldn't have any resistance till we hit 18, and that should come in here with those sellers. That's where we should find resistance. That's why my target is 18. Okay, but we obviously didn't get there yet. If you guys want to take risk off, feel free to take risk off. I've only got 1 on, so I'll take a 5, 6, 7 handle trade, and it's a nice trade. Now, if I were trading multiples, I probably would have scaled out of some of his already. But we should try to make a push back up here to the 68, and this should be a good target. We've got small nothingness here. There are some sellers here. Small buyers. Got to get above 14, right about where we stopped, 15, and this would be a quick move. But again, my stop is going to be below the recent. No, it's not going to be below the recent low. Small buyers up here. What made me anxious up here is there's only 15 buyers. Yeah, I'm not going. I'm not going to 3,900. I'm not going to use a 10 handle stop. We lost all the buyers in the candle. Went negative delta. Sellers hit them in here. Still trying to hold the 95 area, guys. For those of you that are not in order flow group, this is meaningless to you, but I don't really want to blow this area here. I'll take a small loss if it does and hit it again. Come on. Push it up. Let's go. Come on, cowboy. Come on, cowboy. Buyers coming back in. Sellers got a negative delta now, 260, 220. They're buying them back below 200, back above 200. We're fighting this right here. There we go. Come on, sellers. Hold this 95. If we can bounce long back above 11, right about our entry, I'd be a lot more comfortable with this trade. Come on, 10.75. See, right, we're stopping right at basic entry. It doesn't want to give up the ghost below the 95, but it does, conversely, this was a shallow bounce here, and probably now this continues down. Small sellers. NASDAQ is headed back down. I'm out. Out. Small loss. Small loss. NASDAQ is headed back lower. Crude is short on the original bots. $80 buyer. I don't have a gap to fill. I mean, where's your gap? Geez, NASDAQ's blowing yesterday's close. It's trying to hold it. I mean, I can give you a small. We've got 7.5 minutes and our initial balance is done. 7.5 minutes. Nice bounce on the NASDAQ off yesterday's close. 20-25 handles pretty quick. ES did not get to yesterday's close. $38.50. Yeah, I don't think we're going to, I don't have my level 2. I do not think we see 38.50. Let's see where we are in the opening hour. If we haven't put in a lower low, daily low in the initial balance period, you got 1,000 buyers here. I got to try that long there, guys. With 1,000 buyers, I have to. I mean, talk about thin bounces. 107. You got a 176 buyer here. So, that's what we want to see. But we're not getting much of a bounce. Not much of a bounce. They wanted them here at 06. I think we've got another long. We're almost back to where we took it the last time, 11. You got a 3. I mean, this is nothing for the ES. This was the buyer here. You've got him here, and you've got him back here, and you've got a 176 contract buyer here. That's not a retail guy. Just watch that area. 4 minutes, and we've got the initial balance in. And there should be only one place to go, fellas, at some point. That's back up. I'm looking for another print. NASDAQ, you've got a shot. NASDAQ's only 1,200 contract negative delta. ES. Crude looks like it may sell a bit, maybe down to 119 and change. All right, guys. 2.5 minutes to the. I have not bought any SPY calls. No. No, I have no open positions at this point. The last 2 trades I did was Foot Locker. I'm out of. I made about 30%. And before that, it was Kohl's. I made about 20, 21, 22%. I have no open positions. I think we're going up here, guys. I'm going to take an ES long on a move through 11. It's the same place we took it before. Now my target's going to be a little bit lower. First target is around 15. But I will take the move through 11. I'll take it with 2. Here it is if you want to see it. Okay, let's try to get 14. Come on. 14.5 on target 1. And we can't even get that. Come on, you stink face. All right, there's 14.5. Now it's free. Okay. Now, if we can get through these sellers in here, We go big time. We go boom, boom, big time. Next target is 39.24. Anybody take the trade? Lock it a handle. Anybody take the trade, fellas? Okay. Going to be out here, it looks like. And we got to 16. We still can't beat. We got a shot. We still can't beat these sellers. We need a 5-minute close. You'll notice I'm not giving it any room to breathe. Okay. Out. Okay, Scott. I mean, it's not like we're getting massive runners yet, but, I'll take 3 and 4 handle trades on the ES. Just order flow stuff, guys. Simple order flow trades. I do have some buyers showing up. There's a 72. There's a 50. We still only have this one big guy that came in back here, 173 cars right there, 176. There's a buyer, 81. All right, it's 10:30. My sense is we're going up, but I don't want to use the real stop because if I'm wrong, we're going to get hit for 15, 18 handles. So I can't do it. NASDAQ and ES are both stuck at Ludwig level yellow. If NASDAQ breaks above this level here, 53, 54, you want to be long to 67. Crude just wiped out the day's gains on the bot short on the original, not the funded trader. Come on, 10:30 turnaround. Let's do it. Anybody have any questions? Is there anybody not making money, fellas? Is there anyone not making any money? Okay, so everybody's making a little bit of something. I'm not worried about you. Remember, guys, if we don't have bot trades and you want to take bot, trades, order flow trades, okay. Well, I believe today's the last day of your trial, isn't it? I could be wrong. Or did you start late in the week? Oh, okay, so you'll be with us next week. Okay. You'll be with us next week. So I will be sending you out next week's link tomorrow. All right, there we go, guys. ES hasn't followed yet, but NASDAQ's only got an 850 contract negative delta. I missed this break here. You're very welcome. Anybody else get funded today, guys? Anybody else funded? I still like ES longs. I still like this ES to move up. I just don't like the back and forth and the back and the forth and the back and the forth. And if you're trading, a funded, an Apex account or one of those. Oh, Keith, you never told me, man. Gonna have to add you in today. Apex, Keith? I like the longs. Yes. I like long in the crude bot. There you go. He has now 3 accounts. Guys, we're about 20 for the week. We're about 20. And Keith is 100% bot. Oh, this looks bad. That's an M break. Yep, GC is going to go long. It's a tough trade, but something got a target. Crude got target one on the bot. No, it didn't. Russell got a short. Told you that was bad. I missed that. This goddamn crude, man. I still like it longs. I'm in the bot trade, but I won't keep it long. I will not keep this trade. I'm out. I'm out. God damn son of a bitch. I'm out. I'm willing to bet that ends up longs, but I'm out. What account is that? 43. Let me change that account. Okay. I still think that crude trade is longs, fellas. I closed it for a small loss, but yeah, I'm not taking the gold trade. I'm not taking gold. You see how slow we're moving in gold? I'm not saying the trade doesn't win, but I don't want it. I don't like it. On a 5-minute, I don't like the long at all. I would like it if it were maybe 36 half. We cannot get a concerted push up anywhere yet. And my guess is we're going to slop around here. We're going to slop around here until Europe is closed. And then they're going to leave the Europeans for the weekend on the bottom and then move it up. I will leave my indice bots on all day. Don't forget to send me your totals for today, guys. I'll do that. Can I call you Raj? Raj, I will do that on Monday. Ordinarily, just so you know, ordinarily I don't begin trials in the middle of the week. I did allow you to come in. I've got 2 guys that started yesterday. Typically, I don't begin trials in the middle of the week because early in the week, I've already addressed all that stuff. So next week is kind of your official trial week, if you will. You've had a couple extra days, which is great. But on Monday, I will address all that for you trials, any trials we have next week. Guys, let these markets just putter around for now. NASDAQ is goofing around, 1,200 negative delta, nothing. ES, I don't like the delta on the ES, but again, and here goes this damn crude. I'm telling you, I think crude is going to be a long trade and that target is good. That is my belief. You've been turning your bots on at 3 a.m. and getting daily target within 15 minutes. Nice. I will have my bots on at 3 a.m. on Sunday. Good time to stay in the house in the air conditioning, Tim. We're just hanging out. We are just hanging out. I have scalp trades. Small trade here on the NASDAQ for ticks. Maybe you get 5, 6, 7 handles. There it is, almost 10. I think the NASDAQ can work up to 67. And the ES, ES long again. ES long again, target number 1, 11.5. 11 to a half. And one of these, yes. Leo, I'm not running gold either. You see how flat gold is today? I don't want any part of that. We're setting up, guys. We're setting up for a big move up. I don't know why we don't have it yet, but we're setting up for a big move up. First target is 11. Come on, you dog-faced pony soldier, go. We should get 11. Good Lord. I hate options. There it is. Oh, come on, man. We hit 10.75. I missed by a tick? Seriously? Got buyers. I missed by a tick, fellas. Come on. Little engine that could. Push, homeboy, push. Push, homeboy, push. Come on, give me that first target and go. I'm not flinching. I'll let it go to a loss, but I'm not flinching. They're paying me my target. You guys can trade it as you see fit. They're paying me my target. Look at this. At 11, it didn't fill me. Are you freaking kidding me? Seriously, hit my target and didn't pay me. Stinker. Serious stinker. Seriously, that's anybody get filled at 11? I had the right target. Anybody get filled at 11? Yeah, one guy did. Look, if we get through 11 quarter, 11 half, we're going to get 19 on the second target. Right up here at that red line will be target 2. Now, it's okay, Dominic. Listen, I have turned huge winning trades into losing trades. All right, Don. I have turned huge winning trades into losing trades because I hold for my damn targets. Pay me. When 11 offered, it still won't give it to me. I'll take a loss. I really don't care. I'll take a loss. There's no reason for you guys to take a loss on this trade. We've got a lower high in this candle. This is look, I can see it. You can see it here. I will add into this trade if it pulls back. I'm going to get paid. I don't like the lower high here, but I know we're setting up for longs. How do I know that? My order flow guys know this. We're bringing everything lower. Overhead resistance is coming down. Damn it. It's a bull flag. We're building a bull flag. See it here? Next candle in 2 minutes. I had the right first target. It just didn't fill. Gold actually got the target. Yeah, I'm still in. I'll tell you if I get out.